guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all had a fantastic Christmas. Now today in the kitchen I will be sharing a recipe for stuffed salmon. This is going to be quick, easy and simple, so let's get started. Here I have three salmon fillet that I went ahead and washed and pat dry. I have some crab meat here, as well as some wilted spinach and bell peppers. What I did was just wilt the spinach in a pot. Super simple. I have some cream cheese, some Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, fish seasoning, and black pepper. Now what you want to do is combine all of the seasonings, mix really well, and set that aside. Next, you want to coat the fish real well with some oil. That will help the seasonings to adhere to the fish. Then you'll generously coat the fish with the seasonings on both sides, and we will allow it to sit and marinate for about 10 minutes while we get the filling ready. Now let's create our filling. To the cream cheese, I'll add the spinach and the peppers. I also had a little bit of that seasoning left over from the fish. I will add that in and we'll mix really well. And the last thing we'll add is our crab meat. We'll gently fold it in, and that's it, guys. This recipe is super simple and easy, but it's absolutely delicious. Next, I will go in with my kitchen scissors and just create a little pocket at the top of the salmon. Now, if you want to create a pocket in the sides of the salmon, you can do that. But today I didn't feel like complicating the recipe, so we will make this super simple. Just add the little incisions at the top there, and what you'll do is just put a generous amount of that filling right in there. We will preheat our oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll place this in there for about 25 to 30 minutes. And after about 30 minutes, this is how our salmon is looking. It smells absolutely amazing. It was quick, easy, and simple. Now, if you notice, it will look a little bit dry when you take it out of the oven. What I like to do is go in with some melted butter, unsalted butter that is, because you don't want to make your fish salty. So I add the butter in there, and let me tell you, it was so divine. My entire family enjoyed this. We did plate it up with some rice and collard greens, super simple, and it was fantastic. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements that I use down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.